Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we will tell you about the Nevada token, its mission and vision, features and utilities, how to use, tokenomics, where to buy it, and its current price and prediction. So, first let's learn about the Nevada a little more. What is Nevada? A fast-growing BSC token with a secure and trustworthy gaming platform environment. Nevada provides more than 1,000 games that can be played by everyone. Their token has a transaction fee of 9%, one of the lowest compared to many others on BSC. They have been audited by Interfi Network and been onboarded to get a full audit by ShibaDoge. They provide staking options with lucrative returns. Their token liquidity pool is locked and their core members have been doxed. All these steps are to ensure our investors feel safe and incentivized in buying our tokens. Nevada has been getting exponential exposure. Their pre-sale phase was sold out in a matter of seconds. Coupled with marketing, Nevada was a trending token for 4 days straight in CoinMarketCap. Nevada has also managed to secure a partnership with Melanie Weissner, a pro player participating in the WSOP as their advisor in running our platform. They pride themselves in their belief of creating a secure and fair platform for everyone to feel comfortable in playing on their website, and they are driven in bringing new innovation to enhance their platform with more features and partnerships. Nevada token. The Nevada token is the main currency at the Nevada casino. They hold regular tournaments and competitions. Their pre-sale sold out in a matter of seconds. Despite only launching in October 2021, they have already gained explosive growth with no sign of slowing down. Their casino was launched on November 26, 2021. Expect to play your favorites such as slots, roulette, craps, blackjack and baccarat. Swing by their Telegram channel for their friendly and wild community. Adults only. Staking. Don't fancy taking a risk? That's okay. Nevada offers a colossal APR on its staking platform, anywhere between 80 to 100%. Buy Nevada, stake it and win even when you're not in the casino. NFTs. Our team have already produced a few super slick NFTs, including custom ones in previous competitions. End of January release will feature an exclusive boosted APY from staking for NFT holders. Security and transparency. Staking and smart contracts were fully and rigorously audited by ShibaDoge while landing on the top 1% of all projects audited. Fully doxed on the PinkSale platform. Partnerships. Nevada already has solid partnerships with the award-winning platform EvenBet and BlockMeans. Nevada is available on PancakeSwap, CoinTiger and LBank. We aim to be listed on many more sexes. Mission and vision. Mission. Their team consists of remarkable game developers and marketers. They are determined to create the best experience in playing betting games with the BSC community, prioritizing security, fairness, and profitability. Vision. In Nevada, they believe that betting is not always associated with total loss. Taking risks can also be safe, as they pour that belief into a secure, fair, and high percentage returns through their platform. Everyone has the same chance of gaining high returns. Simply by holding their tokens, each holder has the same possibility of gaining from staking the token. Features and utilities. Website. The web interface enables users to play games and claim their accumulated rewards. The interface also presents information on the status of ongoing match, games that are open for betting, and schedule of upcoming championship. Users will be able to choose from multiple types of games. Safety. Nevada token aims at unlocking liquidity and smart assets through an end-to-end decentralized ecosystem, improving on current tokens. Transparency. Nevada will become a long-term investment token since they can be used to play online betting games. There are table games, random number games and virtual gaming machines. People can find their favorite ones, such as roulette, blackjack, slot machines and many more. They also can be checked in real time and have detailed logs of all transactions. Evolvement. Nevada is a community-built cryptocurrency operating in the growing and fast-paced digital currency space. Where to buy Nevada? If you would like to know where to buy Nevada, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Nevada stock are currently CoinTiger, LBank, PancakeSwap, V2, and LA Token. Nevada Tokenomics. Total supply, 1 billion. 3% tournament, several game tournaments with big prize. 2% project, all platform maintenance. 2% marketing, funds to promote Nevada. 2% auto liquidity, sustaining liquidity pool and help the project economic-wise. Nevada token price prediction. Note, our predictions are generated by machine learning and AI, and should not be used for making financial decisions. Investors are responsible for their own investment. We cannot guarantee any profit. Will Nevada price drop, fall? Yes. The price of Nevada may drop from $0.00164 to $0.000216. The change will be minus 86.8059%. Will Nevada replace, surpass, overtake Bitcoin? According to our predictions, this won't happen in near future. Will Nevada crash? According to our analysis, this can happen. Will Nevada hit $1 in a year? Not within a year. Will Nevada hit $10 in a year? We don't think it will. Talking about the live price of Nevada today, it is $0.001819 with a 24-hour trading volume of $2,241,543. Nevada is up 84.35% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 3040, and a maximum supply of 1 billion Nevada coins. I hope now you guys know enough about the Nevada token and this will help you in your decision making. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.